he did. He got it off the ground. Yeah!
Scott McElhenney. We are at SEMA 2021. We worked for Meyer Truck Equipment, and the build was for Quake LED. That's the 1995 military Humvee, full rear steer, hydraulic suspension, bullet bedlined, full inside and out. Like a PSC rear steering cylinder on it so we can like crab walk it down the road, and it's a good time to drive. So Kelly from Quake LED knows Matt, the other guy on one of the builders. They had come up with the idea of doing the Humvee on the hydraulics, and he got a hold of Matt and asked Matt if he knew anyone that could pull that off, and he knew that he had me and Jeremy, and we could definitely get it done. Meyer Truck Equipment, we do crane bodies, service body, work trucks, dump beds, dump bodies, more like work type vehicles. It's full hydraulic actuated. We got 3 batteries on each cylinder for each wheel. So the hydraulics came from Hoppos, Detroit steel wheels. Came through definitely the wheels we wanted from the beginning, and finally it worked out. PSC steering rams, Midwest military equipment. They got the top and the doors. DS18 for the stereo equipment, and then Meyer Truck Equipment for allowing us the time to work on it. And we used kind of a combination of my shop and the shop at work to try and get it done. Honestly, I just hope to get to do this again and try and keep things rolling. I'd like to do another one because this has been a blast so far. Yeah, I've spent a lot of this morning just kind of standing back there watching people look at it, and I love it. It's great. Thanks to you guys. Thanks for coming out and doing this. This is awesome.